Welcome to the December 2022 issue of Cleaner Magazine. On the cover, John Snyder's path toward becoming a teacher took a detour which led to plumbing. He ended up a master plumber and now runs a growing business that includes drain cleaning. Also read the interesting story behind their branding, which features hot pink. If you're looking to grow your company, one way is through acquisition of another business. If you follow these guidelines, it can be well worth the effort. Get a handle on pressurized distribution, the benefits of such a system, and when to consider it. Drain cleaners who are thinking about diversifying their services should read this profile on Steve Russo. He found that septic services pair well with drain cleaning. Read on to see if it might be a fit for you as well. Water heater repair and replacement can be a great service to offer. Check out some tips to make it a little easier. If you offer pipelining, be sure to read this article about UV curing, the latest and greatest technology that offers significant time savings and overall great return on investment. This month, we talk with the CEO of Trenchless Supply Inc. and how their equipment and training sets them apart in the industry. We check out some equipment to consider when looking to offer new services, such as cable drain cleaning machines, franchise systems, plumbing products, push TV camera systems, truck and trailer jetters, and vacuum truck equipment. In this case study, see how you can greatly enhance the services you offer by adding only one machine. Finally, we shine the spotlight on an innovative, high-powered wet-dry vac that mounts on a construction-grade wheelbarrow. Don't try this with a standard wheelbarrow though. It'll implode. Cleaner Magazine is for and about our readers, so we love to hear your ideas. Email editor@cleaner.com. If you don't receive Cleaner Magazine in the mail, be sure to subscribe for free. Thanks for watching and see you next month.